Wow.
So the lesson here is no matter what you sell, whether it's maintenance or sneakers or podcast editing software or anything, nobody's sitting around without sneakers. Everybody has a solution in place today. Just like you're using Riverside FM. You're comfortable with your current solution. So in order for you to stand out, you need to ask a question that shines a light on the terrible, no good, very bad thing that happens if someone does nothing. So you have to figure out what is it about what you're selling that they're not selling that can hurt them. And the hurt is really important because people are more likely to change based on something that they're losing versus gaining. It's something called loss aversion prospecting theory. Kettleman, if you guys want to, Daniel Kettleman, if you guys want to geek out on this. But you can't ask it in a leading way. So without knowing the product, it would be hard to say. But it's the same thing with the shoes and the same thing with the car wash bucket. So how are you dealing with those situations where you're washing your car with one bucket without scratching it? You have to know what is the problem with the current way. Now, if there's no problem with the current way, there's no reason for someone to switch. You're not switching from Riverside to Descript unless I can illuminate a potential problem.
Yes, sure.
So I might say to you, Kelly, typically when I talk to podcasters, they record episodes on Riverside, and then they have to kind of go in and figure out the clips they're going to select to edit and promote. How are you going about doing that today on Riverside? Like, how do you do that today, Kelly?
Well, right now, Riverside actually has an automatic clip creator.
Okay, so great. No problem.